A for ant. B for butterfly. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jackal. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. M for mouse. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for coil. R for rabbit. S for swan. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vulture. W for wolf. X for X-ray fish. Y for yak. And Z for zebra. Okay, kid, bye.